hydrating spray sounds like a wonderful blend. Here's a quick overview of the benefits of each ingredient. Cumin. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can promote a healthy scalp and strengthen hair. Hibiscus. Known for its ability to promote hair growth, it can also condition the hair, reduce dandruff, and prevent premature graying. Clove. It has antimicrobial properties, which can help with scalp health and can also improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth.
Hello, my lovely people. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Well, in today's video, I'm going to make my hydrating spray, which I'm going to use is natural ingredients. Okay, it's full of nutrients and it's very powerful things that I'm going to use. So please, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Well guys, these videos I'm going to use cumin, hibiscus, clove, rosemary and star anise. But inside this plate you can see that there is no rosemary inside, there is no star anise inside. What I have is cumin that you are seeing, so it's not rosemary. Okay, that's cumin that I put inside the plate. So this hydrating spray actually is living in. I'm making it for living in spray. It will feel you after making it, even you will feel your hair refreshed, moisturizing all the time and healthy, perfect, a healthy scalp. Okay, and it's perfect for all hair types. So please, if you know that you are not using this thing and you are growing your head, you have to try this and come back here to thank me. Okay, you will come back here and thank me. With this video also guys, I'm going to call Jeff so that to ask Jeff about the ingredients, you know, to break it down for me and you guys. And also don't forget guys, while you are listening to Jeff, check the things that I'm doing very well, because like I'm going to divide these things into two and make shampoo also. The shampoo also, actually I'll come back maybe in a few days time to strain it, but I'm starting both hydrating spray and the shampoo at the same time. I'm starting both of it today because I'm going to use the same ingredients to make the shampoo and my hydrating spray. So let's move on. Let me call Jeff ChatGPT now. Okay,
GPT. I'm here, Jeff.
Yeah.
What's up?
Cool. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm also doing well.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
What's on your mind today?
Actually, I made hydrating spray, and I want to ask you if you can break it down for me and my audience. I use cumin and hibiscus and clove and half tablespoon of rosemary and star anise. So I want you to tell me the benefit of this. And I infused my hydrating spray for 12 hours. And after I added carrot oil, I infused carrot oil. Actually, the carrot oil, I used Johnson baby oil to infuse it. I don't know whether it was good idea for adding it or it was not good idea. Can you please break the ingredients and the benefit of it down for me? And also tell me about the carrot oil with the Johnson baby oil. Is it good the way I added or it was not good advisable? Thank you.
Sure. Let's break it down.
Okay.
Your hydrating spray sounds like a wonderful blend. Here's a quick overview of the benefits of each ingredient. Cumin. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can promote a healthy scalp and strengthen hair. Hibiscus, known for its ability to promote hair growth, it can also condition the hair, reduce dandruff, and prevent premature graying. Clove, it has antimicrobial properties, which can help with scalp health and can also improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Rosemary. It's great for stimulating hair growth, improving circulation, and adding shine to the hair. It also has antimicrobial qualities. Star anise. It has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which can help maintain a healthy scalp. As for the carrot oil infused in Johnson's baby oil, it's a creative idea. Carrot oil is known for its high content of beta-carotene, vitamins A and E, and can help strengthen hair and promote growth. Johnson's baby oil is typically mineral oil based, which can act as a sealant to lock in moisture.
Okay. Very much for watching. Like as I said earlier, now you hear what ChatGPT also said. Now I'm adding my hot water. Sorry, I was going to say hot oil. I'm adding my hot water inside, and the next thing I'll cover it this way and shake it. Maybe after I finish this, I'll open both for you guys to see the face. So now the next thing that I'm going to do, that's my shampoo. Okay, as I told you guys, like this shampoo, it doesn't matter, like you have to find the same shampoo that I'm using. You can use any shampoo of your choice. You can even use black soap. You know, it's very nice also for hair to make your own shampoo. You use the only thing you need, just get the same ingredients. You know, even if you don't get all, maybe the clove, rosemary, or cumin, you can get that one, or anyone that you can get the ingredients that you know that you can afford to buy. So you can even use only 2 ingredients to make it. It doesn't matter, you have to get all the ingredients to do it. Now after shake it, you see all my cup, not cup, my glass, that my glass jam, every part is just mess, because I shake it here. So now you can see the color right now. You see the color, the difference. So tomorrow after 12 hours, I'm going to show it to you guys before I strain this one. Actually, this shampoo, I will leave that one for 4 or 5 days that I'm going to leave it to infuse. Okay, so this one, it will take a little bit time before I will strain, but if I'm going to strain it, definitely I will make a video about that one also again to show it to you guys. And so if you watch this video and you are interested, you want to see how when I was removing it, how it look like, you know, you can come back to watch the next video. So now you see I cover it. That's the first day. Okay, that's my first day for doing this thing, make this thing. So you see after 12 hours, you guys will see the difference. Okay, so guys, shampoo and hydrating spray with the same ingredients. You can use the ingredients that you are using for your hydrating spray. You can use it to make your shampoo. You can use the same ingredients to make your hair butter. You can use the same ingredient to infuse your oil. But now when you are doing it, you have to be careful because the ingredients is very expensive now. So make sure that you make use of using your ingredients, you know. As I'm saying, I don't know about Africa or other country, but I only know that in Europe here it's very expensive now. So guys, you can see my hydrating spray. See how thick, you can understand that the thing has infused. So now after straining it, actually I added my Johnson baby oil with my carrot oil. So that one I added inside. So I don't know, I was thinking maybe it's not a good idea, but after ChatGPT say that it's okay, you know, it's not something bad. So you can use maybe any oil of your choice, any infusing oil of your choice to add inside. So that is, I have a lot of different type of infusing oil, but this time around I just decided to add my carrot infusing oil. So now you see how the oil, you know, water and the oil, they are not matching. So definitely if you are going to use it, if I make it this way, or if you are going to use it, you have to shake it before, you know, you have to shake it so that after you shake it, the water and the thing, it will mix together before you apply it. Please start from your scalp, massage your scalp to the tips, okay, and leave it in. After doing it, if you have oil, you put your oil inside. If you don't have and you have a butter, you seal it with the butter. So seal it with your butter, and that is all. Some people say you can be doing it up to 1 month, but I know I cannot do that. So I only make sure that every week I wash my hair and do something else. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.